French restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. This is my first time at a French restaurant. Could you please give me some must-try suggestions? First, order an appetizer. Salad. Then, select an entree. Steak and fries. At last, choose a dessert. Crepe. Appetizer. Salad. Choose the things you need. Salad mix. Slicer. Egg. Vegetable knife. Spoon. Please choose a type of egg salad. Salads, mixed veggies, or fruits that are seasoned with sauces. Make the salad. Choose a nice-looking plate. Choose 3 ingredients for the salad. Select one type of dressing, mayonnaise. Let's find these seasonings. Lemon juice. Egg yolk. Salt. Soybean oil. Yellow mustard. Wow! The delicious salad is finished! Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Choose the things you need. Slicer.